Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name's Kayla. Hey guys, you're probably wondering why the f am I so ugly? I am barefaced right now. Honestly, to be honest, when I film makeup tutorials, I put a little bit of concealer on because I'm just so insecure. In this video, I'm gonna be 100% real with you guys, and that's the tea. I do have my eyebrows done because I never do my eyebrows in makeup tutorials because it takes so freaking long. To start out this video, I'm gonna wanna have fake ass eyebrows drawn on. No one likes a natural brow. Today I'm gonna be filming how to catfish someone using makeup. I'm gonna go contour, bronzer, contour my nose. I'm gonna do all of it. Oh, yeah, I hate filming makeup tutorials, but I feel like this would be a very great idea, and I feel like make this video somewhat entertaining. Yeah, if you want to know how to catfish someone, keep watching. I'll put on my cat ears because that's just what we gotta do. So first, I'm gonna start out with foundation. You're gonna want a high coverage foundation so no one can see the real you. I use this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Concealer. Foundation, concealer, anyway, Studio High Def Brush. This is great for a full coverage foundation. I'm out of primer, so this is gonna have to do. Just apply a shit ton on my face, cover up all my blemishes. Also, I never film makeup tutorials because I use the same shit, but I don't know. Now I'm just gonna wipe this on my bed because I'm a gross ass bitch. I'm gonna blend that. The whole point of this makeup tutorial is you don't want to look like yourself. As you can see, I look very different without makeup. So yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but also let me know if you guys like my hair. I do have hair extensions because to catfish someone, you don't want to be yourself. Yeah, I'm wearing my hair extensions and wave them. I don't know if I like it. I feel like the girl off of Brave. I don't know why. Hair's not even red, but
no, 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 no.
Okay, now that that is all blended, I take my Fit Me concealer by Maybelline and just put a shit ton of concealer on my face to hide all my imperfections, which is a lot. The reason why I'm so broken out is because literally after Halloween did this to my face. I ate so much chocolate, it broke my face out. So yeah, it's not a myth. Your face will actually break out if you eat a lot of chocolate. Can't even tell you how many Reese's I have eaten in the past few days. I'm not looking in the viewfinder. I have a mirror right here that I'm using to look at myself. Now to bronze my face because I'm a pale ass bitch and you want to be tan. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild contour palette and just apply this bronzer shade. That is not the brush I use. Apply this contour shade and a lot of it. I have fat ass cheeks. We like a skinny queen. If it looks muddy right now, it's fine because we're just gonna bake our face. Now I'm going to contour my nose. This is the AOA Studio Sculpt Fix Contour Stick. It was $1, but it works well. And apply that to my cheeks and my forehead. I normally wouldn't do this, but since we're planning on catfishing, this is the way to go. Blend this out. I'm gonna use this Molded Beauty Blender. I'm not good at blending wet contour out. If I don't blend it all the way, I'm very sorry. I wet this. When you're too lazy to get up, so you just put water in the spray bottle because same. I honestly hate wet concealers. I just can't blend it out. This looks extremely fucking awful because I can't blend. I'm gonna take the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder and just fix it up and make it more sharp. So I'm just gonna cut my contour like I do every single day and apply it in the middle of my forehead because I do get a little oily there. Now I let this sit for a few minutes. I set my tea. I'm joking, this is Mountain Dew. I'm just gonna wipe away the top bake and let the bottom bake sit. I don't know, I just like to do that, okay? Now I'm gonna apply my blush because some reason us girls like to look like we're blushing. So I'm gonna apply my Too Faced blush and dab that onto my cheeks and give some color to my face.
So we can look pink as fuck.
I'm gonna go to my go into my eyes and I'm feeling pink and purple. So, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette for this whole look. Yeah. This is the 35N palette. So I'm gonna take this pink shade, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna roll with it. And apply that. Oh, by the way, my shirt says do your thing because do your thing. It's probably backwards on camera, but that's what it says if you were wondering. Which you probably weren't wondering, but yeah, so just apply this like this. This palette like stains my eyelids, so I don't use it a lot. Like the browns and stuff in the palette don't, but the pinks and the purples do. I don't know why. Okay, I hate it when I get foundation on my piercings at PVF. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Luxe brush and use, I don't know, this purple, they all look the same, and put that into my crease. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm going for. I usually test makeup looks out before I do them, but I didn't for this video. Maybe I should have. So this turns out like shit. I'm sorry. To blend that out, I'm gonna take this brush again and blend that out. Now I'm gonna take the dark purple shade in this palette and apply that just where I put the light purple, darken it up. And now go back in with this brush and just blend. I use this brush for like everything. I don't even know what brand it is. Just a random freaking brush. Thinking about putting, I'm gonna try to put this lip gloss on my eyelid. I don't know how this is gonna work. The shade Siren, and it's clean color. It's a brand. I got it from like a thrift shop. I'm gonna put that in the middle of my eyelid. Oh, that actually looks good. I've never thought about doing this, but honestly, yes, bitch. I like this, but I don't think it's gonna dry. So let me try to like, I don't know, dab it. I've seen other gurus like lip gloss on their eyelid, but it's not staying. Does this look good? I don't know. I'm trying to do my wing liner. I'm gonna take this random ass wing. I forgot to wipe off my bake. This has been sitting for like 20 minutes, so that's only because I forgot about it. I honestly always forget about it. I don't. Now, yeah, my wing liner. I don't know what brand this is. I really need to buy new makeup, but a bitch is broke. I'm gonna apply this. And you want to do a long ass wing. If you're catfishing a guy, you could trick them into like flying away so they'll catch you. I'm gonna do this eye. I did kind of do the other wing like a little bit too long, but it's fine, I'm fine. Why? Honestly, just gonna leave that and apply lashes over it so I don't mess up the lip gloss I just put on there. Okay. My wings are awful. This one is like boom, and this one is like boom. That's the miracle of lashes. You put your fake lashes on and it just covers it. I'm gonna go apply my lashes, and these are a triple pack of the Broadway 100% Human Hair Femme lashes. I have one pair left. Go apply these. This whole pack was $4.50, so definitely go pick it up. Hashtag not spons. And that's a tea, so okay, now that we have our lashes on to look like a fake ass bitch, can you even tell that my eyeliner was completely and utterly up? Probably not, because that's the power of lashes. Now I'm going to do my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take the Morphe palette again and use the same purple shade. I don't know, either one, fine, they look the same. And apply that, because it'll give your eyes the effect of being bigger. Now I'm gonna take this random bottom eyeliner. All my makeup is random that I just find in my freaking drawers, honestly. And you wanna make it the darkest as possible. Now I'm gonna apply Fosse's Vitamin Express mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm gonna spray my face because it's getting dry as and we don't like a dry face. On to the last part, highlight. If you guys watched my last video, I said I was out of highlighter. I still am. This e.l.f. Baked highlighter in the shade Light Pearls, and apply that to my nose. Just makes your nose like super cute. And to my, yeah. Actually, this is not the last part. I forgot about lips. Wow, we love a lighting change. I'm gonna apply a lot to the tip of my nose. Okay, I'm gonna take this LA Color Shimmering Loose eyeshadow. Try to get some out of it since I am out. Apply that on the tip of my nose and in my inner corners. of my eyes. For the last part, it's my lips. Thinking about using this. I'm gonna try to use this one that I use on my eyes, but I don't know what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna take, love it when that happens. And we're a gross ass bitch, so we're just gonna let it fall onto my bed. So you're gonna overline your lips because we want Kylie Jenner lips because they're just in right now. And we're gonna make it look like we got lip fillers even though we didn't. I look like a clown. Now I'm gonna take this lip gloss and it doesn't even show up. Oh, there we go. That's kind of pretty. Okay, I see you. Is this cute? Is this cute? Do I just look like a retard? I don't know. I kind of like dab it because it doesn't show up that well. I've been waiting to use this lipstick, but I didn't know what look to do it with because it's just so random. Honestly, this is really pretty. I don't know if it looks pretty on me, but oh, bitch, I'm feeling it. Okay, and that is the end of my video. That is how to successfully catfish someone using makeup. Yeah, I hope that you could tell that this was a complete joke. I mean, obviously I tried with my makeup, sort of. But you're all beautiful without makeup. You don't need makeup. This was a joke. You don't need the perfect lips, the perfect skin. You don't need any of this. I just thought it would be funny and a cool video. The society thinks that you need to be perfect nowadays. So yeah, like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave it in below, subscribe, let me know if I should do any more makeup looks and what kind of look you would like to see. Stay happy. Bye guys.